Hi, my name is Regan. I'm an artist and a writer and a practitioner of what I call divinatory poetics, which is a means of exploring realms of the spiritual, the unseen, through the creative process. I've designed a course based on my own interest in entering into the writings of mystics, by which I mean artists, philosophers, spiritual practitioners from many different traditions throughout the world, investigating those writings, entering into those writings using the creative process. The process I've designed involves stages that I will guide you through, beginning with a reading and absorption. Then we will do a short meditation to sink more deeply into our own experience of the words that we've chosen. Once we've done this, we will emerge and engage actively through the act of writing with this material. There's a lot of possibility here about how we enter, and largely the creative process is a practice of learning to trust yourself, to trust your own inspiration, to trust your own process. So a lot of the motivation here is about stepping off that edge, really tapping into what moves you. I crave the experience of discussing being metaphysical, spiritual realities with other human beings. But I didn't want to just start with arbitrary questions. And so I thought, what better way than to actually use the inspired words of people who lived there, who entered into and inhabited these states of mind. We're letting them lead us into our own experience of our humanity. Participating in this workshop, you are already a part of a conversation. We're dealing in large part with spiritual realms, right? So this is the unseen, the silent. So you are always welcome to keep your silence, but you're also invited to bring your words to the table, to add your words to an audible, if you will, conversation with other participants who have joined you on this journey. And that could be simply discussing your experience of the process, or it could be reading the content that emerged from you during the writing process. If you have any interest in deepening into your own spiritual practice or deepening into a writing practice, exploring the ideas and words of mystics from a broad swath of traditions across the globe, across mediums, there is no experience necessary, so come have a taste. Blah.